Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So I did a job offline. Well, I had actually filmed myself, but it's the time of the day when there was all sorts of emails and incoming messages and things, and it interrupted the magic of the filming and the video. I ended up talking to myself for 25 minutes. Anyway, what I did, I cleaned the wheels of the Triang Jinty R52 with my fiberglass pencil. There we are. I've already removed all the newspaper I'd put on top of the work mats and the computer, because there were fiberglass strands everywhere. There it is, all in a bin down there. And I'll have to clean my smock again, because I'm wearing a smock and I was wearing gloves as well. There we go, there's the gloves, to avoid getting the stuff stuck in my fingers. So anyway, I've cleaned it all, and I also cleaned the pickups. See, the pickups are nice and shiny. And I cleaned the back of the wheels that are in contact with the pickups. So then I brushed everything, I cleaned the locomotive with a vacuum as well, and everything's ready for reassembly. So I've got a student coming in 10 minutes, so I better shift the vacuum out of this room. Okay, so we're very, very close to reassembly. Cheerio, and see you next time. Sorry the video didn't work out, but I mean, it was just a lot of cleaning with a fiberglass pencil, so probably pretty boring, and me nattering away. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.